been under here for a while. Put my hand into it.
Just wish it would break and be done with it. What's going on?
Little baby birdie. We just rescued from the barn. He's a little bit sweaty and gross at the moment, but hopefully Mummy birdie will get to him. Get down here. There you go. There's some grass. Off you go. Hopefully he'll find some food.
He doesn't get cooked by the sun.
Yeah, I'm sure he's alright. Oh well, good deed done for today. Welcome back to the Sentimental Car Club.
We're back in the barn today, first time in a couple of weeks. Been quite busy with work, so we're going to try and get on with some jobs on the Escort today.
But first we're going to put up some of the racking and get a bit more organised in the barn. As you can see, we have put all the racking up and tidied up a little bit in here. So now my plan is to have another look at that fuel pump that I looked at literally months ago to see if we can figure out what part number or something it is, because we're pretty sure we need to replace it. So I'm going to have a look, and then when I fail, George is going to go under. Haven't been under here for a while. Just as grotty as I remembered. So we're looking for like a part number. Do we know where the part numbers are? We're probably going to have to take the cradle bit off, aren't we, to be able to see it properly?
Yeah, try and get those connectors off if you can.
Thank you. So much crap going up it.
Would it be better to give you a wire brush and brush it down a bit?
I think that it's like one of these things where it's never going to end because there's so much rust that I'll just keep brushing until I can see the bottom of a seat.
Oh, okay.
How? I just don't know how. It looks so obvious. Yeah, it looks like it should be obvious because it's just got these like pinch points on it, and it looks like you pinch it and pull. But it's just, I almost wondered if I had to take this bit off first, but that's a whole other situation.
That fuel line?
Yeah. So it's got these little bits of clips here, thank you, either side, but it just, I'm trying to like pinch it and pull it, but it's just very awkward. Oh, actually, I did it! I did one! I've done one!
Cool.
Yeah, this fuel line going in is right in the way.
Well, do we know where that's going? Is that feeding the engine?
Going up off here somewhere. It's going off down to the front.
Should we disconnect it?
Should I try everything and see if it starts spilling anything?
Well, hang on, because I've got some clamps for it. So you could clamp the line so it doesn't come back on itself.
Because these bolts that are holding the what's it called? The cradle are so rusted that they don't have like a hexagonal shape anymore. They're just pure rust.
Well, we're pretty good with rusty bolts, then. Right, this is a pipe clamp.
It's quite a small pipe.
Do you want a smaller one?
Yeah.
This is the smallest one that I have. Pass me the other one.
Let me hold it just in case. And then I'll see. Yeah, let me just see if I can just clamp my hand into it. Right, that's clamped.
I mean, obviously, if you take the feed off the tank, it might come gushing out. I don't know.
But after getting that first electrical connection off, it's the fuel line that's giving me issues now.
There you go.
There is 2 electrical bits. I've managed to take that one off, but I can't get to this one. So I've WD-40 this bit, and I'm hopefully going to take this off. Clamp that just in case. But we'll see what happens. It has this cradle, which is super rusty. Ugh.
You got some sort of lump here. Hang on.
Okay. I mean, I think I...
You got something crawling on you as well.
Oh dear. Okay. If I'm honest, like it felt like such a pack, but I just don't know how you're meant to turn it when it's got
What's coming at
the
the other
tube.
end of the pump?
a big tube coming from straight from the fuel tank.
So
Yeah.
we want to crimp that with the big one then.
Having failed to undo the small fuel pipe at the top end of the pump, we turn our attentions to the large pipe connecting it to the tank. It's just one small Jubilee clip holding it in place.
So there, this end. There's not actually even really a line to get it in.
So do you need a small socket? It's also
No,
nuts, isn't it?
It's a massive rust. It's beyond any kind of tool.
We'll spray it with some penetrating fluid.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. Because it has to come off.
I know. That is definitely the next bit that I need.
I mean, could we just cut the pipes?
Well, potentially, but let's see if we can do this a better way.
Alright.
How the fuck did they get this angle?
Right, how does the cradle come off?
It's got these bolts here.
And what are they doing? Are they just clamping the pump in? So, yeah, they're clamping the fuel pump in place.
Yeah, but what my thought
But what's holding the
was-
cradle to the car?
Well, I think it's actually all attached. I think it's this whole thing. But what I figured out is if I take this off, the Jubilee clip, and take this hose out, that means that I can then turn the pump in the cradle to unscrew this, because I can't unscrew this end.
So we need to
So
start
it
with
can
this
just
end.
slide out. So yeah, it has
Can
to
you get anything on
first.
it with the they said it's got a slot in it. Is it a nut as well? I know you said it's corroded.
No, it's literally like a mass. Like I couldn't tell you because it's such a massive
Is
rust.
there any way of getting anything in there, like some snips? Could we snip it off?
Oh,
Oh, there you go. Is that? There you go. Still awkward though, isn't it?
still gonna be the same problem, but we'll just.
Can you
let
not
it all
turn
out.
the whole pump?
Well, I think no, it's not. No, I think I will need to let loosen the cradle, but it means I can get to the cradle. Ugh,
What?
stuff in my eye. Right, I should be able to get the bolt for the cradle, which is up here now. So. I think I've got it on. Yeah,
Get you an extender.
I've got it. I've done it. I've literally done it. Oh. Have I just done a bolt? Yes. Right, so that's one side done, so that's good. So I just need to get to the other side. But my arms ache, so I'm going to just sit here for a minute and be glad that I've made some sort of progress. Wonder how the baby bird is.
Probably been eaten by a fox by now.
Probably. We have head torches somewhere.
Have a look.
Yes, please.
Here you go.
I think I'm going to end up rounding these ones off, so I might need you to do this.
What one is it?
Right, so there's like...
These two? Two of them?
Flat against the top.
These two?
So, yes. So the issue we're having is that the bolts on the other side are tricky to get to, so we can't get the sockets like to sit flush against it, so it just means we're just rounding off the bolt in the classic fashion. So, and also here you go, here's where it should be attached to the car.
I don't think I'm making this thing move at all. I'm just chewing it up more. I just wish it would break and be done with it. Chewing it apart, isn't it?
Yeah, that's all I was finding.
These are loose now, so it goes backwards and forwards
Yeah.
within this bit. And this is... Ah, there we go, that might be the answer. There we go.
Yes.
I don't need that anymore.
Ooh.
So where is it?
That is
You just gave me it there. Oh yeah, there we go.
that did not do anything. No.
What I mean is I could just cut this pipe.
Yeah. Which is what I was trying to do earlier. There you go. Wait for the cables off from what I was trying to do months ago.
No, I have like a pipe cutting
Otherwise,
thing, this.
knife. Oh.
Let's give that a try. So we're going to go for the chop here and try and cut this pipe. About there. Shit. There we go.
You know what? It could have been much worse than that.
Let's try and get this off. You think you can just turn this?
Yeah.
Right, fuel pump's off.
We have the fuel pump off. So we're pretty certain that this does not work anymore, and we need to find a new one. So by getting it off, at least we can try and find the correct part, which is always an issue we have, isn't it? Trying to find the correct part. Do we think there's a serial number on it?
No, but I think we'll just
Hang
have
on,
to match it up.
16. There's a number under here.
On this?
No, here.
Yeah, you can try and match that up if you like.
It might, because it's 843-16. That might be something.
Yeah, we can have a look, but we'll obviously just try and line up
Yeah.
what we see here with the terminals and everything.
Absolutely.
Let's get a new fuel pump. see if that's the thing. I mean, we can obviously check the cables running back there, see if they're getting any power.
Yeah.
But it's not going to hurt to replace the fuel pump.
I think we should just replace it.
And some of those fuel pipes as well.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, that's our little win for today. So there we go.
Yeah, slightly chaotic, but we've got that one done.
We've got it done. See you next time. Welcome back to the Sentimental Car Club. And we're done.
Where's your acting?
Welcome back to the Sentimental Car Club. We are back. Oh, you are going to go that time. You need to see action.
Action.
As you can see.
Finger in there.
Oh, it's all
What?
in my face.
Oh god.
Yum.
Oh, I did a bit of throw up in my own mouth.